Hey guys, we are showing here this Casio AQS800W series hand watch. So this is the analog digital watch with a 100 mWh solar powered and 1 by 100 second stopwatch and the 6 language day of the time indicator. It also have a countdown timer and LED light. So you can see all these different things. So this is actually charged by the solar power. So once this is you have a wear it and goes into the sun, it will charge its battery. So you don't have to replace any battery and you have to adjust like you can see the state or the country thing and you can select the time zone. And once selected, this will auto arrange itself based on that time. So this is a really nice watch with a small LED light inside and lightweight. As you can see, this band is also very flexible and nice. Once this is all set, and you can easily see it. And then you can also adjust the time as I mentioned, the time zones and stuff. And then clock will auto adjust itself. So it's very nice watch, I will say, and lightweight with the solar power thing. And you can see like it is adjusting on its own the time to that particular time zone. So very nice watch.